guess what? We gonna make a strawberry shortcake. Yeah. Standard glass. Need one biscuit warmed. So just put it in the microwave, whatever. Get a spoon. Push it down into the bottom of the cone. So it looks like this. Next thing you need is some strawberries. You can use fresh strawberries, frozen strawberries, doesn't matter. I like to use fresh ones. You're gonna use the same bowl to slice these strawberries out. Go away. Should be enough strawberries. Let me do one more just to make sure I have enough. Okay, that works. That should work. If not, I use what they call strawberry. What do they call this? Glazed strawberry. And the reason I use this is that it makes it easier to kind of make like a strawberry, sliced strawberry paste. So what I do is I mix it in with the strawberries, and I kind of stir it all up. And if you want to smush the strawberries up a little bit, that's fine. And what I do, take this, pour it. I may have too many strawberries for this glass. Look at that. And we're going to take a little bit more glaze. Pour a little bit in there. Then you need some vanilla ice cream. You can use different ice cream, I guess. I'm going to use Blue Bunny ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. Oh, it's rock hard solid too. But that's okay. You can always microwave the vanilla ice cream. If you have one of the refrigerators that like to freeze everything rock solid like mine does. Push it all down because you want this to go. Oh yeah. And so what you do from this point, get it all squishy downy. Then what you do, take a little bit more of this glaze and you pour it over it. Now, I'm trying something different I've never tried before. I'm going to add a little milk whip on top of that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So let's do a quick taste test and see what this tastes like. Miracle Whip tastes like Miracle Whip. Let's dig a little deeper. I ain't gonna say nothing yet. This is, and then if you dig a little deeper and you get a little bit of that biscuit. Have any of you ever been to Roy Rogers and tried their strawberry shortcake? This is probably as close as you're going to ever get to a Roll Roger strawberry shortcake. Oh, now that nice, warm, soft biscuit in the bottom with the strawberries and a strawberry glaze mix, almost like a mash made to be born together. Oh, what really gives it the extra taste, other than all of how it all mixed together, is when you dig deep down and you get hold of that biscuit. I don't know what to tell you, but this is something quick, easy, that you can make for the family. You can even set it up for, a dessert for dinner. This is a standard small 4-ounce cup. I just put a biscuit in it, strawberries, strawberry glaze, vanilla ice cream, and I just do the Miracle Whip on top just for giggles. But it did not hurt it at all. It added an extra interesting punch. Look at that. I'm going to tan the biscuit up because I want to go after it. The best part of this is the biscuit. Well, not the best part, but the biscuit kind of starts to absorb that glaze and strawberry flavor. And when you take a bit of that and eat it with the rest of it, it's nothing to be played with. It's absolutely delicious. My diabetic brothers and sisters, this may not be for you. But once we get to the point where your diabetes is under control, you're going to enjoy treats like this. It is absolutely delicious, easy to make, and the whole family will love it. Until next time, family, you take care, live long, live safe, and try some of this good old strawberry shortcake. You take care. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.